Home security video shows a mail carrier earlier this month leaving a package in the middle of Brian McGraw's driveway in Russet Woods.
We almost ran over it. Our mail carrier pretty much just tossed it in the driveway.
While the package wasn't damaged, McGraw says it points to a bigger issue.
We've had several experiences where mail is misdelivered or packages that are crammed into mailboxes that can be very difficult to get out. Just as not as much care as we would hope would be given to those kind of packages.
8 months ago, Councilor Mike Shaw passed along similar concerns to Congress from neighbors in West Hoover's Lake Cyrus community. One said an expensive watch meant for someone else ended up in her mailbox. Another said 6 packages in 1 month went to the wrong address. And one neighbor said someone had left deliveries next to the garbage cans. McGraw is calling for changes.
Whether it's training for the employees on really kind of how to handle things, or if they're really overworked, maybe they need to hire additional staff.
And in response to those concerns shared earlier by Councilor Shaw, the Postal Service said it had adjusted staffing and monitored delivery. I also reached out to the Postal Service. As for the latest concerns, I have not received any calls back yet. Live in Hoover, Aaron Kelly, WVTM 13.